What's up, it's Chum and I'm back once again for another video, and today we are doing the Rifleman challenge. I've actually done a video on this game before, so everybody's basically snipers, and it's easier to use a sniper than a rifleman, because with the rifle you can't zoom in as much as a sniper. So we are doing the Rifleman challenge. If I do succeed, then that's good for me. See, as you can see, there is more snipers than riflemen because it's easier with snipers. So as you can see, when I aim, that's the most I can aim. So yeah, it's pretty hard. So what I am going to be trying to do is actually kill at least 2 players. So I'm going to be going around. Okay. Uh-oh. They see me. Oh. Ooh, okay, yeah, we're winning. We're winning 1-0. As you can see at the very left, we have got 1 kill. Okay, so I'm going to crouch up here. And I'm going to be fighting. Uh-oh, they see me, they see me. My enemy's right there. Rifleman. Oh, I see him, I see him. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my god, I'm about to die. I have 12 health. I really hope I don't die. I'm trying to shoot him, but it's not really working. Where's the other sniper? I actually don't know who to go for. I'm gonna go for this sniper. Hopefully I don't die. Oh, no, no, no. Does he see me? Nuh-uh. He's blind if he doesn't see me. This game is really hard to play sometimes because it's just hard, okay? He is right here, guys. No, 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 no. Yes, I killed him. Yes, 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 yes. I've got 1 kill. Okay. I'm not doing the worst. I need to look for the last one. I am almost dead. But the question is, where's the last one? The feeling as if, oh, he's right there. Oh, we won. Yes, finally. Okay, that was pretty cool. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more challenges like this, give it a like. And yeah, I think I did pretty well as a rifleman. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. New video will be later on today. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace.